Yo, what go my peeps? You know, see your boy Ali Pop there again, you see me, with another video. Yo, that one me come across that one here Basil, you see me, didn't even know what the people are doing at church. Me know if a crack cocaine in the pan or then got some African country and system, them do them tradition and try to imitate it or me don't know how them are do. Woman a jump up and down pan floor pan head like he under some cocaine movements, you see me. But yo, me need me go hold in a longer still, you see me charge it. Me go have you watch the video right now because that one here sick. That one here sick. So yo, check this out right now because it's crazy. How are you? Hey. How are you going here, sir? Holy Ghost hour. Blazer skirt. I want to say. All of them people, yeah, man. Me post joke. Right. Hey. They have some Pokemon thing, you know. Me tell you say some country poker thing, they may, you know. Me blazer skirt. Why me even know what me just watch, but me don't know what to make of it, you see me? Me don't even know what to make of this, yo. Me head hot me. So yo, people, if you don't like the video, please like, share and subscribe. I'm begging you, please share it on your Facebook, you see me? You know, tell a friend about it. You know, we just want some more subscribers, so I just tell them to subscribe to my channel and say, laughter never hurt, you see me? The road too tense right now for fighting and them things. So please subscribe to my channel and just share it, as I said. Big up to the strength of Rapper Crap and Gimme. Me appreciate it, my brother and John Star. Long life and prosperity to everything we are there, you see me? So blessings in a real life.